Big announcement. Are you looking for a high-paying job in Europe? Do you want to work in Albania, Serbia, Malta, Poland, or other European countries? Right now, Visa Live has access to over 30,000 job vacancies, and the demand for workers is massive. The best part? Visa sponsorship is available and all nationalities can apply. This is your chance to work legally in Europe with fast visa processing and competitive salaries. So why is Europe hiring so many workers? European companies are facing serious labor shortages and they need workers urgently. That means higher salaries, better benefits, and faster hiring process for international applicants. If you have experience in industries like construction, hospitality, factory work, or driving, you could be earning anywhere between 1,200 to 3,000 euros per month. And no, you don't need a college degree for most of these roles. Let's talk about the jobs that are in high demand. If you have experience in civil work, construction, or trades like masonry, carpentry, welding, plumbing, or painting, there are thousands of opportunities waiting for you. Technicians, electricians, machine operators, warehouse workers, and even truck drivers. There's a role for almost every skill set. And if you're worried about language barriers, don't be. Many companies either require only basic English or provide training to help you settle in. So why should you consider working in the Europe? This isn't just another job opportunity. It's a chance to build a secure future. Salaries are competitive and many employers offer overtime pay, bonuses, free accommodation, and even food allowances. Some jobs also come with free health insurance and a legal work permit, which means you are protected under European labor laws. For those looking to bring their families later, some companies even offer family visas and pathways to permanent residency. So how fast can you get your visa? The biggest concern for most people in the visa process. But here's the good news. Most applicants get their work permits in just 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the country. Visa Live takes care of the entire process, from documentation to approvals, so you don't have to worry about missing any details. The key is to apply early because demand is high and positions are filling up fast. Now, where are the best opportunities right now? Let's break it down country by country. In Albania and Serbia, there's a huge demand for construction workers and technicians with salaries ranging from 1,200 to 2,500 euros per month. Malta is hiring hotel staff, factory workers, and electricians with salaries going up to 3,000 euros. And since Malta is an EU country, it also offers potential pathway to permanent residency. Poland, on the other hand, has one of the highest demands for warehouse workers, truck drivers, and mechanics. And some employers even offer family visa options after a few months of work. Now, if you're interested, here's what you need to do. Head over to Visa Live's job portal and check out the available positions. Find a job that matches your experience, submit your application, or email your CV directly to jobs@visalive.com. It's that simple. And remember, the sooner you apply, the better your chances are for securing a spot because employers are hiring on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, let's tackle some common questions that people ask. A lot of you might be wondering, do you need experience? For some jobs, yes, but many roles are open to freshers as well. What about the local language? In most cases, English is enough, and for some jobs, employers provide basic language training. Can you bring your family? That depends on the employer, but some companies allow dependent visas after a few months of employment. And how do you know if your application is selected? If shortlisted, Visa Live will contact you directly via email or phone with the next steps. This is your chance to work legally in Europe, earn in euros, and secure your future. With over 30,000 job openings, visa sponsorships, and fast hiring processes, opportunities like this don't come often. If you're serious about working in Europe, don't wait. Apply now through Visa Life portal or send your CV to jobs@visalife.com. And don't forget to subscribe to Visa Life for the latest updates on job openings, visa processes, and work opportunities. If you know someone looking for a job in Europe, share this information with them. This could change their life. That's a wrap for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.